block number 4. Block number 4, we make just one block of half double crochet stitches, and we will make 4 triangles which we will attach to the body of that block. So we want to start with a chain of 30 as we've done for the previous blocks. Chain 30, keep the first chain and half double crochet into the second chain from the hook, and half double crochet into the next chain and each of the chains across the row. Alright, row 1 is done. Heading on to row 2 up to row 20, we're going to be doing half double crochet stitches. So half double crochet into the first stitch and next stitch and each stitch across the row. At the end of the row, chain 1, turn, make another row of half double crochet stitches. So we're going to repeat this all the way to row 20. So I'm going to see you at the end of row 20. 20 rows. Now let's do the edges. Single crochet into the first stitch row and the next stitch row into each 20 single crochets, altogether 20, chain 1, 29 single crochet stitches, chain 1, 20 single crochet stitches, chain 1 and join to the first stitch. Last single crochet, chain 1 and for the triangles, let's start with a chain of 12. I'm going to leave a tail, which we will use for sewing. Okay, so let's chain 12. And single crochet into the second chain from hook and into the remaining chains. So that means we're going to have 11 stitches by the time we complete the row. Chain 1 and turn. Single crochet, decrease, single crochet 2 together. Okay, don't finish off, no, go into the next stitch, pull out a loop. You have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 3. So we have decreased, we made 2 stitches into 1 and single crochet into 7 stitches except the last 2 stitches. So let's decrease across the last 2 stitches and go into the next one. There we go. Chain 1, turn, single crochet into the first stitch and into each stitch across the row. So we have decreased 4 stitches. Now we've made those 4 stitches 2 stitches because we want to get that triangle shape. And the last single crochet stitch, chain 1, turn, row 4. We're going to decrease here now. So decrease in the first 2 stitches, don't finish, go into the next 3 loops on hook, pull through 3 loops, single crochet into 5 stitches, and decrease in the last 2 stitches. There we go. Chain 1, turn, row 5, single crochet into each stitch across the row. chain 1 and turn. Row 6, we're going to decrease again. Single crochet across in 3 stitches except the last 2 stitches. Let's decrease again. Chain 1 and turn. Row 7, single crochet into the first stitch and the next stitch, chain 2, skip 1 stitch, single crochet into the last 2 stitches, chain 1 and turn. Row 8, single crochet, decrease into the first and the second stitch, single crochet into this chain 2 space, and single crochet decrease in the last 2 stitches, chain 1 and turn, single crochet decrease across 1, 2, 3 stitches, there we go. We have our triangle. So we want this triangle to actually be functional. That's why we have this space in here. So what you want to do now is to make 3 more of these triangles. 3 more. Switch up the color for to make it look more attractive. We made, so we're going to sew them on. These are functional triangles. After we sew them on, we're also going to sew buttons right there where we have the chain 1 space.